everyone, welcome to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. I'm happy to have you back in my Junk Journal with me video. In this video, I'm continuing journaling with the cutouts that I made in the last video. If you want to see me cutting them from a Daphne's diary, check the video at the top or I'll put a link in the description box below. So this day, I wanted to work with this photo and yellow florals. So I pulled out some yellow and bluish pieces from the stash. So now I'm looking for a page to work on with them. I found this almost black and white page that only had an envelope flap on the left edge. Of course, the photo was the main, so I'm placing yellow florals and scraps around it. And I moved the ephemera from the envelope flap tuck spot to on the right bottom corner of the photo. So I'm still figuring out the layout and I was really indecisive with the paintbrush this day. Since this page's colors were blue and yellow, I had a perfect vintage linen printable. This is Blue Floral Kit. I used one of the vintage linens as a background and you will see later that I used a postal stamp as an embellishment. Then I pulled out a Polaroid ephemera from my mini glassing bag. The lemon yellow was perfect on this page. I was happy with this, so I started fixing things on the page. I always add double-sided tape when I have to cover where the page is folded, especially when the paper that I'm adding is big or thick. I'm folding over the excess. And I'm tearing off the text part. This is Prima's planner glue pen. It is perfect for narrow places and small pieces, and above all, it is very strong glue. So this will be the place to journal, and I added a tag. Then I changed the postal stamp to the one with blue border. So I finished the page skewering the tiny details with glue pen, and now I'm journaling on the ephemera and on the Polaroid. This is how today's journaling has done. It reminds me of bright summer day with lemonade. I just love this page. I hope you enjoyed this journaling process. If you like the Blue Floral printable, check more details in my Etsy shop. There will be a link in the description box below. Always, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!